Well, what's happening with me, gang? And I'm outside today, y'all. And I'm getting buckets. It's a beautiful day outside. And I'm getting buckets. So what a volleyball. So boom. I'm about to post y'all up somewhere. And boom, we're about to play ball. Well, I'm about to shoot the ball for like a minute or two. And then boom. Off camera to 40 minutes. So what we gonna do today? Brandon, what we gonna do today? Buckets. Everybody. Man, I go in there too at the pizza place. 2 o'clock at the pizza place. So what we gonna do till then? Buckets. Buckets. Hey. Buckets. Take me in. With the right hand. Cause you know I'm left-handed, you know what I'm saying? So with the right hand. Buckets. Don't get that. But yeah, I'm off camera. You look nice, girl. But I said so, you know what I'm saying? It's like they ain't that now. But yeah, look at being the cut. Being the cut, you heard me, being the cut. We getting us some McDonald's, you heard me. Hey, I'm having a day with babe. Being the cut.
To me, I ain't no orange juice cake in sizes. Just at the bottom of one. I'm fine.
How you doing today? You enjoying your breakfast? You really full? Hold on, get your drink. Boom. And we can close this up, beloved. Close that up when you get time. Close that up. And then boom, you can get your drink. Bless you. Good job, big girl. So now we gotta go wash your hands after you done. And then you can go play.
Yeah.
Don't throw that away. Put it back up here. Let me eat that.
That's my hands that's sticky.
Go ahead, get you something.
Wait, yours is dark in the bathroom?
Pull that.
Ooh.
There you go. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, get you something. Move. That's all you want? Alright, come on, go wash your hands. Come on, lead the way. Oh, look, there
I'm
goes.
right there.
Uh-oh. You gotta be careful, man. Uh-oh, babe, please be careful. You got it, babe? Hold on tight now. Hold on tight. You got it? Hold on tight. Hold on tight. You ready to get down?
Yeah.
So y'all, they had a squirrel and ran up on us. He just stole a piece of pancake and everything. Look at him.
You know he likes pancakes.
I know he like pancakes. They got him in Tim's. They walk. Go to the car. Yeah, she didn't call me and that she talking about she needed me to come help her open.
I just thought about that when I looked at it was 10 o'clock. I was like, I wonder if he gonna have to go.
What's up, Whippy Gang? We back. We back on camera.
Hey.
And we about to get us some freaking McDonald's. Huh? Is you bored?
No, it's an orange.
Is you ordering?
Yeah.
You want to order?
Yeah.
All right. You can order. Good, right, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No, but this one first time. You look like a pig.
I look like a pig. You look like a pig.
You look like a pig.
Oh, baby.
Guys, I actually hit him with my knuckles.
My knuckles. She hit me with the knuckles, made me say, ah! She made me say, ah!
Oh, there.
She made me say, ah.
Oh, there. Like this.
Oh, yeah?
What's your other self?
I'm ugly now, baby. Don't call me ugly, but I'm handsome. I'm handsome, babe. Babe, I'm handsome, babe.
Oh my God.
Good afternoon, how you doing? Get the wallet out the bag.
Take your order whenever you're ready.
All this stuff in here.
What you want?
I want a cheeseburger with pickles.
May I have a cheeseburger with pickles?
Cheeseburger, extra pickle.
Yes, sir. Tell them what you want.
I want a cheeseburger with pickles.
All right.
Cheeseburger with pickle.
Yes, sir. That's the.
And I want
Kids
apple
meal?
slices.
Yes, sir.
All right.
What you want to drink?
Sprite with extra ice.
May you have a Sprite with that order with extra ice?
Sprite extra ice.
Yes, sir. And then I like a double cheeseburger with no onions and a small fry with some water. And that'll complete my order.
I'm sorry, what meal is it?
You need me to start all the way over?
I'm sorry?
You need me to start all the way over?
No, just the meal.
Okay, I like the double cheeseburger with no onions, a small fry, and the water.
All right, anything else?
You want what? That come, and for that, kids, man, I like apple slices for that.
Apple slices.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
That'll complete everything.
I hope I get
So we have the first one. Then. Thank you.
Thank you, boss. Why you talking that trash? Why you man? Why you man mean to me, bro?
I'm just letting you know.
You just let me know, bro. All right, man. Let's turn the music on.
Yo, and these bitches money shot. Station gotta be my main. Triple sauce while getting brain. Nigga, take cocaine. Fuck going on and we'll do some dope.
They right inside my head, it's inside my hood, yeah. Get this understood. I said I be with the mass man, and they all done heard of. There's a murder, bad like a friend, I see why that's a twin. Oh, and they got them in rotation. And this whole thing, I got them like, oh, baby. I'm all fucking turned up in these people parking lot and shit. Baby, we all turned up in these people parking lot, babe.
I made you like this.
I see that, but y'all, we off camera. We got to get our food, y'all, and we might be back, or this might be the end of the video. But we'll see. What you got to say, buddy?
I want them to stay on camera. Because, you know, I like being on camera.
Live in on camera, but
Yeah, sometimes.
all right, then talk to the people. What you want the people to know?
So, guys, actually, I have have a daughter, and I got her from Ivy House. Y'all know her, my BFF. Ivy, my BFF. Hit that little subscribe button and be back with another banger.
You all done?
No. So guys, actually I get a burger with pickles because I like pickles. You know, pickles not candy. There's no candy.
I know they're good, huh?
Yeah. They be bustin'.
What's that, son?
You start saying that.
You said it?
No, you start saying that.
All right, I ain't gonna say it.
No, I said start saying that.
Oh, start saying? I thought you said start saying that. I'm sorry, my bad.
Okay, so guys, it's okay, y'all. So guys, every time I told him this secret. If he be mean to me, then he's not getting a present. No, but he's not being mean to me. He's being nice to me, right, Daddy?
Yeah, baby.
So every time if I lock his phone up, he will be right. He will just forgive me.
Double cheese, no onion, small fry with water, and the cheeseburger, half a meal, extra pickle.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So guys,
Yes, sir.
excellent guys. So we're at McDonald's getting our food, and hit that little subscribe button and that little bell, because we be down like this.
Yes, sir.
Not twerking, guys, because I don't like twerking. My daddy don't like twerking, right?
You too, boss.
Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Leah want this word to twerk in front of her faces, because we're going to do it, right?
How you doing? Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I like Pikachu.
Hold up.
I like Pikachu.
All right, y'all. We got our food, y'all. So boom.
Uh-huh.
We off camera, y'all. Cause guess what? I'm about to zoom. I'm about to hit 100 miles per hour. So
I'll
off
do the
camera.
camera.
boom. We almost home, y'all. We in traffic with it. Look at Bay looking pretty over there.
Oh, never make this.
No, eat your fries, then. Eat just your fries. And you can eat your burger when we get home.
Okay,
Jesus, man, they thugging today, y'all. Man, they today. Can I have one of your fries? Thank you. Thank you. I get it from you. Dirty so. We just sitting there in traffic.
You too can be dirty.
We just sitting in traffic.
What?
Man, you better start talking with that food in your mouth. In my big truck taking road trips. I cannot be your lover, cause I already got a lover. Hey, all of us made that turn. I ain't playing no games. And I need to get in the other lane. I need to get in the other lane. I need to get in the other lane. Can y'all let me over? 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 They not gonna let me over. They not gonna let me over. But it's cool though. Fuck it, we gonna keep straight.
No, I can stay up and play your own control.
They don't wanna let me over. Bro.
No, I'm gonna stay up.
You gonna beat they up or you gonna beat them up? Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Oh yeah. Slow down, babe. Let me get over. Fuck, stupid, ugly ass. Oh, I'm over now. I'm over now. I'm over now. Yes, sir.
I'm dead.
You did, man. I got over. That's all that matters. I got over. I got over like a Range Rover. You heard me?
Yeah, you like, move, you stinky.
Yeah, I need them to scoot over. Let me over like a Range Rover.
Yeah, go that way. Before I
Jesus, sir.
You teach.
Dirty, sir.
What is that?
Look, see, you making a mess. You just dropped the fry. See what I'm saying?
While serving my
You better find that fry. never dropped that car. Oh shit, where the fuck he come from? Wasn't this a nigga that we just turned off on?